Hello Galactic Family. My dear. Some of you have lost friends and family, others gained new relationships. This is as it should be during this universal epic change. Because you have become a different being, as well as those with whom you interact. No one and nothing is as it was. You are interacting differently with different expectations. Such a dramatic change in your being is unpleasant for some and attractive to others. Even if the global light is shining brighter, there are some who are not interested in being of light. And there are others who are afraid of the light of the changes that your inner being knows that are required to be of light. So some of his closest friends, co-workers and relatives, they can avoid it, for you scare them. Perhaps this last thought seems awful. You have depended on these people throughout your transition. You felt a familiar spirit that had helped him in his transition, now simply run away from you. Remember that each of you is evolving in a unique way. So this time is similar to when you graduated from high school or college. You were a familiar spirit when you were on the same path. But since these paths began to diverge through different jobs, local, marriage and children, you lost track of your friends and family forever. So it is now. You are beginning to create or will soon begin to create new relationships more in tune with this original path. Not that you love less your old friends, but that has less to share, because they do not understand you, and you do not understand their decisions and paths. The difference in this new earth is that you will honor the only way of them knowing in your entire being that what is unique is in and what is pleasing to the crowd is out. This is indeed a new earth, with new expectations and directions. In the past, those who did not follow his leadership would be judged as not too close or envious. None of which is part of their new repertoire. For you will know within themselves that the homeless can also produce and expand the light, as is true for you. That all are equal, with different needs and interests. The interests are based on their internal directions, instead of the victimization of the poor me or unlucky of old. What is horrible to many now about politics is that the love and acceptance of all are not priorities, not even necessarily addressed. The have not are openly exposed for all to see. And the rich seem to be dancing their music as they create more rules and laws by tampering with the hopes of destitutes. This tampering will reach a crisis point, where you will see large crowds claim your light. For many continue to feel that they deserve more, so they are not able to go beyond what society tells them possible. But every day, more are beginning to feel your inner power that directs them to your personal way of joy and love. So will those in politics and other institutions who believe they are in control will begin to act more and more irrationally as they feel their power slipping and moving away. Irrational behavior will encourage those who are just dipping their toes in the ocean of freedom to jump and claim your personal power. For now, all seems lost for those of you who already are the light. In fact, everything is just beginning to be found. Allow your choice of institutional leaders to jump into your ocean of love or become superfluous. The extent to which those around you realize that these leaders are like the Wizard of Oz, without any power. What we return to our original topic of friends and family drifting in different directions then is true for you. You know you are never alone, that there is a little discomfort when your fears of being wrong come ahead. What happens most often when a friend or family member moves out of its orbit? You will find others more in tune with you. Let it be so. Allow yourself to open up new relationships in all forms. For you are no longer a stagnant, nor anyone else. Explosions and energy changes are hitting everyone. And it is the choice of all the how, or if they, wish to access them. Some will ignore or deny these new energies. Others, like you, will receive the energies with open arms. Each of you is evolving according to the pace and the time is right for you. But as was true when you started his adult life after high school or college, not everyone will continue to be compatible with you. The difference now is that you will begin to honor those who differed from you, instead of judging them. These activities help you improve your inner light and help others find their way. For the new earth energies are not about you should do or you have to, but on who I am. And those who appear to be the most dramatically wrong for you are helping him to push his being far away from any judgment, towards acceptance. For his actions are so clearly ruled in the non-acceptance of their acceptance cells, they are being pushed further than ever on earth. This does not mean that the current rulers of society are worse than those of Earth's past history, but they are using outdated concepts. You and those of light can no longer understand or agree. New acceptance waves are radiating throughout the earth and therefore on the universes to create the new earth on the new light beings and extremely frustrated leaders who have yet to accept that love is greater than fear. So be it. Amen.